Welcome. If you want to download pictures from Instagram on your OnePlus Nord N10 5G, at first you have to log into your Instagram account, and after that you have to pick up the picture that you want to download. So I will go for this one, for example. After that we have to move for the Play Store, click on the search pool and type repost for Instagram. And we have to get this application from Kimsey929, so let's get it. Click open. And right now we are able to save this picture in the two ways. We can use this button, but also we can use these three dots. So let's go for the Instagram and just try one of them. Click on the three dots, for example, go for the share and select repost for Instagram application. After that, go back to this application, click on the picture. We can take off the signature by clicking right here, and if you want to save picture, just click on this middle button. And right now we can open gallery, and as you can see here we got this photo in the repost for Instagram folder. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.